So today we're here at Cars R Us. We're talking about vehicle pickup service. So what does that entail and how does it benefit you? Our lives are so busy nowadays that we just don't have time to go get our vehicle service. So we eliminate that hassle for you. You can text us, you can email us to set up an appointment. We've got the links right on our website and we make it super convenient. We'll email back and forth, text back and forth, get all your vehicle information, where you're gonna leave keys, where we're picking it up from. We come pick it up, we service it, we send you a digital inspection that has pictures, pricing of everything that we recommend on the vehicle. You can pay right over the link that we send you. So we text you a link and you just pay right there, so it's secure. You're not giving us your credit card information. We bring the vehicle back. We also have loaner cars. So if there's repairs that take over a day and you need transportation, we've got vehicles for you to be able to then use while we service your vehicle. So we take all the inconvenience out of automotive, and you can do it during the week and have your weekends free to spend with your family. Any questions or you want to schedule your service, give us a call over here at Cars R Us.